Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Ipsy bag. I'm just going to show you guys the bag, what I got in it, and tell you guys what I think about it. So this is what the bag looks like. This is for the month of January, obviously 2018. This thing had like a little like accent tie on it, I guess you could say. That was like these two colors, the yellow and the pink, but it came off in my purse, so yeah, that's why mine doesn't have it. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right in and show you what's inside. Now, the first thing that I pulled out, I'm not going in like any specific order, but the first thing I pulled out is this. It's an eyeshadow and it's in the color Posy, and it came with one of these like stupid cheap like makeup sponge applicators that like come in like 99-cent store makeup. I freaking hate those things, so yeah, I'm just gonna throw that away. But this is the color of it. It's like a pink, and then that's what the color looks like on my skin. You guys can even see that. The light's kind of bright, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I would never, like if I ever saw this in a store, I would never buy it. It is a pretty color, but I personally like pinks like this in the crease, and this is a shimmery pink. So I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of this, but yeah, it is a pretty eyeshadow and it's very like buttery and pretty and like pigmented. So yeah, that came in the bag. Second thing is this blue lotus seed mud mask and exfoliant. I'm not gonna try and pronounce the brand, but that's what that looks like. This is probably just like a mud mask, and it does say that it's an exfoliant, so it does exfoliate your skin too. Yeah, I don't necessarily like these kinds of masks. This is the kind that you put on your face, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then like wash it off like this. Like go like with water and like do like circular motions like this to like wash it off. I feel like these don't really do anything for my skin personally, but yeah. So this next thing is this Argan Oil and Shea Styling Cream. That's what that looks like right there. And this is obviously for your hair, and it just says to put it in damp hair and gently comb it through. I actually really like stuff like this because my hair is always really dry, so I like stuff that I can put in to my damp hair and like let it dry because it helps with like moisturizing and stuff. So I'm excited to try this. And the next thing in the bag is this Ciate London Fierce Flicks. This is like a liquid eyeliner. It's black and it's like a felt tip. So that's what that looks like. It's like a pen. Oh, I just marked my hand, whoops. And it's actually really black. Like look at that. Like it's like crazy black, like just one swipe it's really black. So I'm just hoping that it doesn't like crack or transfer anything. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one out. So the last thing in my January Ipsy bag I am actually really excited about. It's this NYX lip lingerie in the color Lipply, I guess is how you would say that. It's like a brown color. That's the color right there. And I actually did swatch this on my lips. So that's it swatched on my hand right there. Right up there, obviously. It's like just like a pretty brown color. And like I said, I did swatch this on my lips and it actually looks really pretty. My lips have a lot of natural pigment in them, so it's hard for me to find lip colors that don't look weird on my lips, but actually that lip color looks really pretty on me, so I'm excited to see how it wears and see if I like it. That was the bag for this month. Overall it was okay. Like I said, I probably won't get much use out of this eyeshadow, but I'll probably end up using pretty much everything else. You know, I like trying face masks, even though I said I don't really like this kind. You know, of course I'm gonna try it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these four. Like I said, the eyeshadow is kind of wasted on me, but whatever, I'll give it a try if I remember. So yeah, that was it for my Ipsy bag, for my January 2018 Ipsy bag. And yeah, if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe because I am gonna start doing these monthly. I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys. Oh my god. But better late than never, right? So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm like a whole ass mess right now.